few weeks ago, we went to Rako and Escano's show sa Secret Fresh, no? And si Rako is nice enough, no? Very generous na binigyan tayo ng something. This is actually the first time that I'll be opening this. So, I'm not sure kung ano talaga to. So, let's see. We have this one. You have for Sir Jed with Rako lettering, no? And, uy, shirt ba to? It's a tote bag. Wow. Ganda nito. It's a tote, diba? It's a tote bag with custom artwork ni Rako. Parang yung mga cereal boxes, no? Nung mga, magaling talaga gumawa si Rako eh. And even the back, meron siyang artwork, no? Same ba? 0917 yung brand. It's I think the apparel brand ni Globe. Tama ba? 0917. Rako's They'll Make You Sick. Free nothing inside. Artificial flavor. So parang ito yung mga sinaunang cereal boxes, diba? Tas tama nga. It's 0917, the Globe apparel, no? Ayan. We also have this one. What's this? Parang cereal box siya. Oh, we have a shirt and stickers. Ang dami You have card ba to? You have card and you have stickers, no? Na marami. Marami to. Parang 5 kinds of stickers plus you have the collectible card. And we also have the shirt. Tingnan natin. Yan. So this is the shirt. Tie-dye, no? Colorful, no? Large. Ganda. Ganda, oh. So front you have the Rako's lettering, artwork. And the back you have the artwork. Same ba dun sa kanina, no? Iba. Iba. Pero it's cereal theme pa rin. Ganda nito. Very colorful, no? Very on theme talaga ni Rako. Rako, maraming salamat. You have been very generous. Meron kaming tote and the shirt. And I'm going to wear this siguro one of these days, no? Pero papalaban muna natin. Thank you ulit. Yun lang.